Hi guys, welcome again to my channel, and it's me, Sian. For today's video, we'll be doing a DIY home office makeover on a budget. I will be sharing with you my decor hauls from Shopee and SM and some DIY ideas so you can also transform your place without spending too much. What we're planning to do is to clean this whole space all out and repaint some walls and put some storage areas and make this place workable for 2 people and just give it a good ambience. So let me show you how this place looked like before. These pictures were taken around September last year, and at the time we tried to clear out one part of the space so we can borrow some space to work on. So we tried to clear out one part of the space so we can borrow some space to work on. We painted the wall with white and an accent wall of gray, though it's not that organized and conducive yet. So we'll put some storage, clean all that stuffs on the other side, and just make this a conducive area for working and studying. So as we begin to clean this place, we'll be throwing some stuffs that not really needed anymore. And then we'll be repainting this side, and for the stairwell side, we'll just put a curtain for now since we won't be able to paint it, so we can conceal the unpainted wall. The idea is for good lighting, workable spaces, clean and open space, and some decors for an ambient workplace. So even though the space will still remain as a storage area, we'll still be repainting it so it won't be an eyesore. We won't be moving around much in the space, but we will clean it and get it organized so it won't affect the whole ambience of the floor.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it
So we got this brick wall sticker from Shopee, and it is really a good find, and it really improves the ambience of the place.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
So we'll return the stuff that we can't throw away, but make sure that there is light and air coming from the windows and the doors and the storage part. And now finally to the main space. Here are the things that we will need for the home office makeover and for all the things that we'll be using today. I will leave a link below so that if you find anything you like, you will know where to find them.
We get up and start from the ground.
So I got this hanging shelf from Shopee for only 190 per wood plank. I really like the color of it, which is wood stain, and the length of it is 30 inches. It's perfect for what I plan to put in it.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
For the mirrors, we got them from SM on their buy one take one deal for only 500.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
We also went to the Dapitan arcades to find some decors that we can put. So what we got ultimately is the cactus wall decor, 2 ceramic pots, and just some plastic pots. So for the curtain rod, I got this curtain rod from Shopee, which is only 240. It has a very nice finish, and we'll just put some string curtain. The curtain rod is also adjustable. That's what I like the most about it.
People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go.
For this rack storage, we got this A-frame plant rack from the Green Department plant racks. We also got a crate from them, which we will be using later. What I like about them is that they have their own delivery team, so even though they're from Cavite, it was easy and convenient to order from them. So for the DIY sofa launch, we have this palette for a while now, and we've been using it, and we got this only for free. But since before it was taking up too much space, we decided to cut it in half and pile it together so it will have more elevation and it will be more comfortable to sit on it. We just put some mattress that we had over the years, and we bought our bedsheets from Shopee, and then some throw pillow and the pillowcases.
Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
So for the DIY table, this is the rate that we got from the Green Department plant rack. And we just put legs on it so that it will be higher and can be used as a table and also a storage. What I like about this DIY idea is that it's small, so you can move the table to the sofa launch if you will need it and then put it aside if you will not use it. And it's really space saving because it's a table and at the same time it's a storage area. So for the working table, I have been using this table for quite a while now. I think I've been using this for 7 years. We just bought it around that time at 300 to 500, I guess. For the working chair, I bought this from the Cozy Furniture. Among all the things that I bought for this makeover, actually the one that cost more, but I really like the aesthetic of the chair. It fits what I had in mind when I was planning for this makeover. I really like pink and I like how cozy it is.
Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see
know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance I come by my
And then last but definitely not least are my plants and these plant hangers from the greener side. You can find our shop in Shopee too. What I really like about plant styling is not just because I'm a plantita, but apart from the aesthetics that it brings to the place, it really increases the oxygen level, and I think it contributes to lowering the stress level. So it's not just for the aesthetics, but makes the place livable, it makes the place more alive. Aside, I really love taking care of this plant lady.
I wanna meet you, look best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you.
So some of the baskets are what we already have here. For the plants, I just got them all from my garden. Some of them I propagated.
I wanna meet you, look best friend and be family. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise.
Like this rubber plant, which I put in a rock clay pot, which I painted pink. I really like how this is growing. So for the A-frame, we'll also be using the ceramic pots that we bought from the Dapitan arcade. So the plastic pots that I got are those without holes. And since I will put it indoor, then it makes it easier to water because you will not have water dripping through. You just have to control your watering. And so for the final look of the place, I really enjoyed making this little project, even though it's very tiring, but you know, fixing the space we work and study in, it's very helpful, and I think it gives us more motivation in doing our work. I hope this video also gave you some tips and ideas on which items you can buy, or you know, the DIY ideas that you can use. And hopefully this video makes the day a little brighter for you. It's always nice to see a good transformation. I really love how this place turned out to be. The gray and the pink and the wood motif that I used. I hope you also enjoyed this time and this project. If you enjoyed this video, subscribing and giving it a thumbs up will help me too. So until the next video, let's see each other again. Ciao!